Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Welcome to Deb3 TV. The program is proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events, Deb3 Media, and Deb3 Studio. Today in the studio, we are Chisa, we are Fiwa, basic value season. We've got a guest. Abantu abangazake bembone, we've got Bricks in the studio. Bricks, you see my brother?
Hayi grand
Umnandi.
kusephuka
But otherwise the team is complete. Kuyafika Machita.
swi
Namhlanje liminyanisile.
Asihleli mnandi.
That's defender 3.
Information ichangile. Le kachaka ikhawu information. Ikhawu information.
bakele ezinye
Awukhulume ngezandla ngabo. Ayu emphasize point. Kaya cheza manje these days uyasibalekile. So to our viewers bengayithubi ngabona kule skipper sekombo izolo besispana lapha immediate team besiqhatshwe ikombo ekuhle kona lokuthi ama team amatsha they want to do things different, so basinike try win wena ovele states isovene win
ngasoveni yasindebele utawini
but inqoko ukuchasisa ama brigade umuntu ekunika into ukuthi sala layo ayisikho inkolo
asingathi isipho
isipho
ya ngesinto isibonga uqedile yenza ukuthi abantu besibone ukuthi kubhalweni kuhle lapha
ngeke ngaba naye upresident wakhona lo nkosikazi madam president, so basinike isipho sithe ngesisigqoyi phela ngeke isigqoyi yi-one thina media team ilabantu abaningi kakhulu, so ngathi ngisifake ngezinye indlela ngizama ukuthi even ayilinde ncabele ezikhipha ama-regalia bayasinika nje one sifake lapha i-chicken chiefs yabo, ukhanya ukuthi sichaye nje ukhanya ukuthi into yethu yalocal, but otherwise this is a team in division 2.
I like design inhle
Yeah. Graphic lahlalelwa phansi sibili abantu abale order.
Iyakhanya gents. Ababukeli bebona ukuthi hayi this is a team in division 2. At least we've got teams that are abafuna uba serious. They're coming up nicely. Bale sizathengiswa izikipha lezi ekombo. Xa ufuna ukusupport ikombo lawe contact, you can watch i-episode lana yilo president lapho kulama details laphana, or ungene kuma social media ku Facebook bakhona kuthiwa ikombo uPhongolo Khuza. It's a team that's coming up nice. Bawine 3-1 izolo bebedlala i-friendly, so basadlala ama-friendly basangani bangena ku D2. Yeah, so kuyangichaza khona lokho ukuthi i-team serious division 2 ibe le record. So getting the show on the road, gents, finally ama Warriors had to win a match.
Siyaswinile. And awabona story aswini.
Bengaboni phela ukuthi
Siwinile. Sitshayela iQatar number 52 in the world. The World Cup bound. Ama Asian champions. Sibachayile.
yes. Ngamani
Asian champions. Sibabethile.
Yes.
Akuna kuthiwa iQatar abanyadola sinebuzo ukuthi iQatar ngebhora yini. Obviously bathwala nzima eQatar lapha. Sitshayile thina.
Bekuyiyo yini first level? Kwakuyiyo i-first level yana eQatar. Babephunga ukuthi njengoba kuyi-team le eyaba lezitala ze-Asia Gate.
But bekuyiQatar.
Hayi beze ekhumbule Asia Gate.
Ayizaba sefuna usikhambisa manga.
Hayi siyaxoxa James. Yes.
njengoko manje ngomona umutapa lokhu kuyegqokisa i-team i-train kit yama-Warriors
So ngizosithi Asian champions ngathi kwakuhloka ring ukuthi Asia Gate. But bengafuna ukuthi ngithathe i-glory kaMario away from i-victory yakhe le.
Usebenzile umjita. Wasithintela i-team wasifakela i-team yakhe.
Eh,
Wasithintela i-team wasifakela i-team yakhe.
hayi bese
Wasithintela i-team wasifakela i-team yakhe.
ekhumbule
yadlala. I'm sure ocoach vele kasekutshela ukuthi satisfied uzawutshela ukuthi sisalungisisa kukhona okusafuna ukulungisiswa but khona kanti yena uthi usela lapha aqalisele khona ukuthi no yindlela emfuna ukudlala ngayo le but asebenzeni sibe perfect sibe ngcono kulala but abasebenzile abafana abasebenzile
Glorious go.
Wayibona njani game unayibukelanga?
Nami ngimayibukela.
I just saw the highlights.
La ngawona so ama-highlights. But ngibona kanjani? Bakwanisa la ucoach ukuthi la i-20 victory after saqina number 2023.
I-victory mdala.
So at least
I-victory
Into mangalisayo ukuthi khona isquad sakhona siyanikeza ama-hopes so. Uze uthola pasi phezu kweNigeria mdala lapho ngani sizawina 5-0. Kodwa bona kuthiwa kuyewe uyiLesotho mdala kuchaka ulalisa.
Hayi laphana singathi bekungu-Michael Nice. Asimnikeni ithuba uMasudu oranjani.
Mina ngibonane so far I like the spirit sika coach. Because uzenzele ezikanthi uzenzele ucoach wawina. And uchaye iKatar. Ukuthi kumbe kade befake uD2 ngokwabo kumbe kade befake reserve ngokwabo. Sikwazi ukuthi uchaye iKatar.
Yes.
That spirit ngahamba lazo ku-African Cup hayi.
Bana le chance.
Hayi safika la sinyikinyeki. I-chance nzima. Ufuna abantu abale order.
Uthi ngapha ngikhaya ngendlela afuna ukubuya ngayo yena uCoachalo. But ngani is building something. Ngani ufuna ufake okuyi-mentality nje okuchiyene oku-different.
Ukuthi bazahambe i-mentality yabo igudu but bazahambelana naye yini. Antathi ilizwe lethu ungafaka bazahambelana lawo.
Resist.
Bazaresist ukuthi hayi thina silaloku eku-offer. Lapho kumele ulandele so ube lemgomo lembandela as a coach. So mentality yakhe is good but akuzahambelana la yini.
So far I think first 2 games sesowonile ukuthi remember lole I think unikiwe freedom yokukhetha ama team akhe. Because I know i-team adlale ngayo qala first game.
Khona apho asikamboni ngoba lawa awekhethelwe.
Hayi but ngithi ukuthi kunje andona even uNisi mdala ekhethelwa lapha. Legit. UNisi still ekhethelwe. Wawubiza iplayer leader mdala. Elibize sithi ufuna uzole assess kodwa leli player libuye vele lingadlali. Ube lokho edlalisa abana abakudala. But lo uthintile i-team i-squad adlale ngaso first game i-squad adlale ngaso second game ama-squad ayi-2 yena.
Bengama-Frank vele bemele enze njalo.
But uNisi bengawenzi konke khona lo.
Abangomele enze njalo. Wena ungama-Frank ukuthi
ezibonele. So into entsha usaqalisa.
So thina sifuna ukumbona khona kwakhona ukuthi ngakwenza ukuthi
esebhikele.
Hayi asimlinde.
Khona khona lapho la kuma-team selection. Uyabona ukuthi kade sikwadlala bequalify. Silizwe lo ngiyakhuluma ngehope lapha. Leba le hope ukuthi abantu abazadlala kade siyeMorocco. Angazi ukuthi ngama-agency kumbe kuyini okungama-games kuyabe sokuyenzakala lapha. Uthi iplayer liyachisa njengo-Divine Law. Sekufika ngaleso ukuthi wabench. So udlalisa umuntu vile kade engadlali we-Eva yiwazi kumbe kuthiwa ube ngaphuma umuntu wangikhona. Ezedlaliswa last game kuyiwina last game. Angazi ukuthi this time team yakho ukuthi iza improve yini bona lapho.
I-problem yami mina nje. I-problem yami vele ngabantu ababelokho bevuma ukunikwa ihope. I-team asambe siyibukela idlala. Nxa improvile. Ngale phela wonke umuntu ebengale la ebefuna ukuwina. And kulabanye abaprepare ngcono kulathi nxa sesikhayele eqinisweni. Morocco bona laba dala lokho sikhuluma bayenza 5-year plan thina kwethu kuyakha kusaqala la so akumelanga nje expect much but bona abo boys bengadlali besithi thina expect much laba badlale njani bengabantu ukuthi even if kulabantu abaprepare ngcono kulathi lathi asizame okusemandleni ethu wonke sinjani siphumela ama results angcono ukuthi nxa umuntu edliwe konta uchayiwe but
Barakhumbula labanye even last sikhuluma ngezifo ukuthi emaphepheni ngani balama strategy asharp ubonile baye bakhipha le yabafazi recently uMagritte bakhipha i-strategic plan women football that bafuna ungani bayithi because kunini isikhala angazi ukuthi wena esayidini yakho uke wabona wezwa anything before this Zifa about the development yabafazi?
Hayi, mina eqinisweni with this current Zifa ukuthi abantu thina personally njengakathesi elizweni lethu singabona umuntu oza engani ufuna ukuzama into engani le professionalism, we are quick to attack that person. Asela patience ukuthi sibone ama results ayanga sifuna into ekhonapho khona uyabona. I think we have to give this guy some time before we are to judge ukuthi uyenza into ezingacacile kumbe ezicacile. Mina I'm happy for the ladies because akula of course mthomba noma gaya uke wazama into eyenza e-league yami, but when it comes to national hayi akukho umuntu wakwenza.
Yes, exactly. Usibona njani i-strategy sabo ukuthi bethuthukise omama la befike ku level yama-gents overall because bafuna uku-improve i-league yona ngoba sikhale ngayo i-league leyana yabafazi. Bashoda into eziningi vele singazikhuluma, the list is endless, but bafuna ukukhangela wonke ama-concerns, bekhangela i-strategy sabo ukuthi up to the next coming 3 years ba-improve to that level yama-gents.
Mina ngibona it is good for ngendlela abayenza ngayo because manje ngibheke le league abantomazana iphele njani kanti khanya sithi for sure ile competition and for sure labantu sebeqalisile ukwazi ukuthi eZimbabwe kule league yabafazi like other years lapha ngoba lo mnyaka lo khathwa bakabadlala amantombazana sibali national team amantombazana kodwa bagcina sebethola ngomchovu omunye akade ngaselamali. You get the point. Ukhana kuyenza loba umntwana omncane mbe intombazana ufuna ukudlala esidala abayoludaka phela lo, but so far ngani benza sharp
bafuna ukuthi bekukha Tobi what's your take on ugayithi ngani sesibalekile ngothi ungena espace uhlu ucha left link uthi mthule uTobi nje ugayithi esekwaji ehle breathe la ikwanisa ukubreathe.
Mina as for abafazi, I think I'm happy for them because it's a profession, it's a profession to them. So that order, it gives them a disadvantage. They hunger, uthi beyidlala ibhola lelana uqina ukuthi awunanjani akusancedi, but as long labo sebeba recognize so bebayenzile like ama-ground bengadlaleli ama-groundini amabi yabona bedlalele because kuyabe kulabo amakhafu abafazi laba that's why umeet o-Sundowns ama-team eMorocco uyabona ukuthi kuyafiwa uyabona
ba-serious
sihamba ngale sesiyadliwa bo-10 ngenxa yokuthi not ukuthi you are bad players but thina kunjani silama-challenges of ama-grounds babengajayelanga ngathi usufika ngale usubona proper fields lani usudinwa nge-20 minutes. So I think iZifa mayingakungenela bona bedlale sharp benze into zabo kudlani nabafazi labo uyabona ukuthi hayi level labo selingelinye
beku-implement yazi sakuZifa eziningi into zeZifa madoda ngifuna ukutshela manga i-PSL bahlalile hayi Friday le ayikho dla i-Friday le edlule ayikho nje phela mbona press statement after press statement i-PSL ihlalile yathi usarelegate amathi uzala abantu bayi-22 jiki abantu sesi-confused sesithwele Zifa sesiza sokuthiwa hayi iZifa isingenelile yathi hayi because bese ulenye i-confusion ebona ukuthi hayi i-direction ebhora lethu ayindawo. So iZifa in that regard as you were saying ukuthi abantu kwesinye isikhathi kumele sibanike isikhathi to prove themselves beshow. I think basibonisile ukuthi they've got sports development ebhora at heart.
Ya khona kunjalo mdala okunye kubaza kakhulu ukubaza yabona ukuthi i-league before iqale nxa i-league izaqala laphana before the start of the year bayahlala phansi beplan ukuthi okay unyaka mawusiyaphela kufuze ukuhamba ama-teams angani kanti kuyini abafuna ukuthi bekuqinise ukukhava lapha unyaka usuphela why ufuna ukuba ufaka kwamanye ama-teams kungekho kubudget asina-sponsor because sisponsor kuyini kanye kule kuligi Castlelaga yiyo yodwa. If you want to see back in the days, of course kwakunamanye ama-sponsors amaningi ayingena kanti sile sponsor one uzakwanisa yini usponsor lo usponsor futhi these other teams sokuthi aziyaba ngo-22 manje kukhona confusion abanye ukuthi abathe khona kungena kungarelegate ama-team kumbe ukuthi akufakwe kwacona sokuthi 20 kumbe 22
songani bavotile
yes songani kuyavota
babevotile vele ama-premier soccer league teams ukuthi hayi sangasaphumi
ama-ground silamangaki ukukhuluma ngabo-6 nxa sokuyafakwa ama-teams angu-22 kumbe 20 osisi laba bazadlalela ngaphi ngoba laba bafuna ama-ground lathi sifuna ama-ground amadoda uyabona. So these are the things I think mostly for EPSL that has to put in consideration nxa isizini iqalisa abayenze into ezingane zile nhloso e-right ithi uma ukuthi iyahamba kayihambi ngoba uthi ibhozi uyahamba kayihambi yiye kwisile order mawudana siyahamba kayihambi yibe sile order beyekela ukubasa uyabona angazi ukuthi nenkono yenu ithini ngayo lapho
mina laphana ngathatha point like ashwayisho ukuthi look at South Africa our neighbors bale 16 teams look at ama ground abo financially ba right bale 60 only they've got 16 teams thina sile 18 teams asila vini stadium esi right full capacity
it's embarrassing
but yet usifuna uku-add futhi another 18 sifaka futhi another 4 teams anjengona inala into ayisho asho vele into khona angazi isube inonsense phakathi vele ingaqedakali kahle
so izifilungisile lapha
lapha niyenze right
yenze sharp blind iPSL bifuna usenzele okunye
ngobe ungavumi ewontona mawuqalisa isizini nothe kurelegate wa4 then Sani sebedlalile usositha ukusarelegate ngelast day which means phela isizini le is void kuzayidlalelani
exactly
so vele bekungayenzi athi vele siphume kumele siphume
yes
then sebesenza lokho abafuna ukwenza komnyaka obuyayo kuphela because awunyeke ukuthi ngelast day usisithi hayi madoda akusele ephumani.
So big up to Izifa lapha Izifa fast
ayizange yathatha 2 days
someday actually lungisi
hayi lokho akho bese kule confusion
ama social media kuma streets
yokhaya okumuntu bethwele content lebhala yePSL
ngathi vele Boras aliseconfirm ngoba abanye babedlala ukuthi maso kuyibo omele berelegate kuya 8 which means vele bengazifora bengekho fair lapha kumele bele competition makuyi Island ehamba makuyi Dynamo sehamba azihambe ezilongo precise sisho ziyebuya sezile order yona leyani into yabikhiphe ku premier into emele beyilungisisa ngalo uD1 vele ngokulungisisa
kusuke kubisi benefitile lapha
ukhuluma ngekho mdala
kwela yathi
hayi kwekho benefitile ukhuluma dlale TV le wani
ukhuluma ngekho ngizibuza umbuzo ubona iphuze njani egemini
futhi
ikweke be ukontat ibe ukontat
egemini ibi home
Trafika kona sesike uthi wathi uyathengisela ukuthi hayi ngizibazonde sharp abantu abakoredi uba so asilungiselile ihouse yethu ibe in order first
sibe lama stadium sibe la
you understand usakhuluma nge-issue yekhwekhwe there's something that caught my eye was it Saturday ngithi yathi mchasana the update ethi Islanders won Boso 90 awards ngathi angazi kumbe ngicabanga fast ukuthi ama awards i-team ephose relegate let me consult ke mbuza ukuthi kusharp yini zathi ngemanje ama-gents zathi sensizwe imbonayo i-team le iphose relegate kungaso Ajax i-team le relegate but baba award Bricks
mina laphana Angiboni ukuthi i-club yiyo eyenza ama-awards, but I think ama-supporters they tried their best ama-awards. As much as I know, azange ngithi yibo, ngikhuluma ngengikwazi.
Yes.
Of course, I'm in touch namanye ama-players that I know personally. I respect them as brothers. That's Alex Maseko. He showed me some kids, amanye babuya bawadoctor for the boys. I give those guys some big bells for looking after our boys. Nxa ukuthi yibo futhi abenza ama-awards lawo, let's give them a big up again. Ngoba if bengakwenzanga lokho akukho umuntu ozakhangela for ama-teams lana ama-juniors, because mafuna ukubonakala sonke umuntu ukuthi ama-team la ka-disband, but ungadisbanda ama-team abo-boys labo boSona 90 labo sizathatha ngaphi thina kuthiwa yini ama-talents la buyayo. Nxa ungasabanika ama-awards kufanele ukuba discourage, there's nothing they are playing for at the end of the day. So of course bagcine bengaphansi kwelokhu zethu anti bancede i-Ajax. Mina ngiyembasole impi yami yawazi ukuthi ngapha soze ngikhulume nje kwakathesi. Let the boys be awarded, but our leadership has to fix something so that boys are performing ngcono beyiphezulu. Yabona kulapho enza khona la.
Yeah.
My point ngibona that thing bese kuthena ukuthi bengakhangelanga specifically ukuthi i-Highlander bese besithi ngithathe i-team njenge Dynamos that struggled. Then besithi awarding our players for struggle. Umbuzo bendaba ebemfuna ukupost ukuthi how do you see that Topi ngiqale ngawe wena we are active.
Mina I think i-point ekhulunywa uMabricado lapha, I think inikele ilihlo les-3 elokuthi it's someone who's appreciating abafana. It's not like ukuthi it's Highlanders bona singazi ukuthi bona iHighlander batheni, but laba bona abafaka isandla ekutheni hayi, but even though lina linjani lingazange lakwanisa ukuya phezulu la survive relegation because of ABC and because abantu babekwazi izinto behind the scenes ezabe senzakala for abafana bengabi le development esharp. Uyabona labo sebefaka lokhwana ukuthi just to encourage nje abafana abancane nje into abanjani abayiyenzayo. Uyabona not ukuthi it's a good thing ukuthi mali ngihamba ku relegation you have to be awarded or something.
Yiko kulombuzo wakho lapho.
Ku situation leyi eyilinda ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakwazi behind the scenes ukuthi yabinjani, then laba sebebuya ngesandla sokunika abesendomu laba ukuthi hayi but abafana ngcono sinika abafana something nje for ukuthi next season is either kuzaba labanye abablind abangakwanisa ukubuya benjani bedlalela i-team for ukuthi because babebone ngani akubhosona into kuyadlala kuncedi. Uyabona kuze uyabusithi uyuzarelegate lokho akuncedi vele uyidlalela, but ngelihlo lelane lokuthi omunye umuntu ubone ukuthi but ukuthi ngi-encourage abafana abaningi ukuthi beye ku-Highlander ngingabanika so futhi sebekwazi next year ukuthi kuya kulama awards kanjani, then labana abazayenza kanjani more. Uyabona, so I think in that sense it makes sense.
khona nje vele ngaba kuthiwa khona kungasibo laba ukuthi abantu kade besithola i-sponsor right bedlala udala bebengadeserve lutho, but nge-situation ekhona azange athi badeserve.
Exactly.
Motivate the boys
Exactly.
regardless of the situation.
Mina la ngizahamba noMabricado. The moment esho ukuthi it was from not the Highlanders administration but ngabantu individuals phandla nje, which means labana it's an encourage abafana loku motivator labana babuya uthi I think laba ama supporters abone klepa kule team ezabuya lapha
Sendoma
Sendoma
babone lapha kule team ezabuya manje siba motivate abafana, but kahle vele ubona ukuthi administration kasizayisola ukuthi lingamotivate kanjani abafana iloko ezinso, because ungathi wakhala ama-award akhona top goal scorer ngukeeper
Mugore
top goal scorer lapha urelegate team le team ngapha ya relegate isinde ngehokova isindawo ukuthi abe out enye vela ingadlala athi ngasekho yasindiswa i3 points la Ngapho lama arts akona vela ayenzi ngayi motivation.
So umbuzo wami ubukhona yiko kunombuzo wami khona ukuthi ngizothiwa ikhwekhwe ilama awards.
Laba ngumuntu laba kwenziwa ngabantu from not ku board abantu
But to be as an active player, let's say udlala ukukhwekhwe, they are being relegated, then you are being awarded the same. Kusounda njani?
Vele as long linali i-team ngokwavele abana ligedwa lisabonana kanti liyabonana njani nje inarelegate i-team so wonke umuntu uyanehloni nokuthi libonane likhuluma so vele
Bakalibiza bethi silama awards.
laqala niko keeper top goal scorer.
vele naliba nehloni owayenza so ihleli zambi
Esibuza ukuthi ngabri.
Hayi special class center.
Anjabo file special class wena ukunumber 49 out of 50 sithi wena kuphathele iPhone ngithi mntana nami uyabulala akuyeni Dr. next year ngafaka iPhone ethi lo abe indlulayo
So anyway, that was the issue. Yiko lapho mnade ngikhona ukuthi wezinto leyinhluphini. Ngathi yo ngokukhayela nje ngelihlo lela ukuthi amanye ama team nje general not ukuthi ngoba kwenziwe yilini. Bese ngizibuza ukuthi amanye ama team astruggle ayehlulekayo. Bese sithi hayi awarding our players for a dismal season like that.
Kona ngendlela oku-analyze ngakho. Hayi kubuhlungu ngoba kuyafana lokuthi uthatha ipizza uyedlela etoilet.
Ungena bese udlala baruka ipizza edlela 69.
Udlela ipizza etoilet. Hayi bengadeserve vele. But thank for abona abantu abazenzeleyo.
I think for i-development and for ukuthi maybe next year we try ukuya kwenye level i-executive la ibona ukuthi i-development iqakatheke njani then kunokho akwenziwe ngabosenimane labanye ama-supporters and kuzabanika like that thing ukuthi but we have to be serious nge-development for ukuthi i-first perform sharp uyabona so I think kuya-encourage lamanye ama-players afuna ukuya kubhoso 90 maningi abafana abalazi ibhola ababefuna ukuhamba but bengabona ungela lutho bayabe siyayenzana uyabo so I think kuzabaphusha labo ukuthi balathi awadi leyani uyibonile inhle njani ngcono lathi sizama ukuya njani ukuyayikhera nxa besiyayikhera i-team la yabe iphezulu next year sokusiba yilokho ukuthi but bachovile abafana top 4 uyabona into ezinjengazo ngalezi
Yabona ukhuluma ukuthi award inhle mdali award lana that was very smart. It was classy. Imagine Tibhoso i-team enkulu kangakanani. And yabona Tibhoso i-team enkulu kangakanani. Ukhangela ukuthi mangake ama-sponsor athanda iBhoso. But bangaka abantu basponsor iBhoso kathesi idlala udako olunje. What more might she win? Ngeke ukutshela ukuthi team ka-2006 bengara sponsor. But they went on to win the league. Uyabo? So mina lapha mina ngicela ukuthi at least ukuthi starting from our board and executive ukuthi abantu laba kuyabasinda mdala ngithi izongikhulumile ngathi this is sport yabona sport is business. If you cannot perform, just give other people with fresh minds to give more energy to the team and give more value. Bedinga ama-sponsors ebuye uyabona abafana beholi that sike sibone ama-fans sike sigqoka amajezi amahle man ayikhona la kuthiwa bulibonta leliyenzo eTanzania lipho ngubhalwa sakunda but liyenzo eTanzania ndoke le jezi lika 2012 lalibhalwe Adidas angifuni ukulilahla ngoba original uyabona khathesi you can't motivate anybody khona phana i-team izolidlalela mdala angazitshili na belikhona phakathi akula direction ukuthi sidlala siya ngaphi abafana le discipline akulo owenye uthaya umunye ngempamizo lebhorini khona phana uyabona those are the things that start from the top kubuya phansi ngawo la discipline phezulu into lani ibuyiza izobamba abafaneni phansi tshone siya ku Bhoso 90 yikho sicina sesibuya sesi-award abantu abadliwayo uyabona so nxa sokubuya even nakuma-fans ama-fans mina bengicela ukuthi kathesi intsha yethu I'm not going to blame anybody, the executive or anyone. I'm not going to name anyone ukuthi uphambanisile. Thina ama-fans asizisole nini. Maybe mdala kawuli ikhadi, maybe la kawuli ikhadi, maybe la mangile ikhadi.
Alright, sesibona sila amakhadi. The best way ukuthi siyenze ukuthi team iye phambili. Asithenge nama-cards, asidingi ama-life membership cards. Sifuna awe $20. Ikhadi le$20 ungalithenga kathesi before the end of December. Next year uyavota ngalo ikhadi leliyana ungalithelela futhi ngokumpala ngoJanuary. $10 nje kuphela ukulithelela. Uyavotela umuntu omfunayo. Simu ku-attack abadala labana omhlophe labo uthamba nomkandla. Uyabona? I'm one of those people that have been attacking them on social media. But akuncedi xa ngavoti. Uyabona? So the best way ukuthi team ithuthuke team ngethu. Let's buy ama-cards, membership cards, and then sikutshintsheni okwezinto lokuyalo.
I think you have touched on a serious point, especially to Lina our supporter Islanders. Ebelibula iBP
Ichukela mntana.
isizini yonke labanye ababukele abakuzwayo. I think you are raising you are raising very valid points. Utho wangikhumbuza something engibonile also nge weekend. Ngaye khuluma especially in terms of administration. Kule trophy ye Castlelaga Premier Soccer League. Ebisihlale angikwazi bisihlale. Mina yazi abajayi ise prize. Bana bakugwanisile la. Mina nje yabona ulizekele wala ukukala kanjalo. Awumenzi zatha ifaka kwabanye bangayazi i-trophy ye Premier Soccer League endala. Benje ndiyo vele bayiwezi isikodleni. Akutsheli ma. Asabe ngicaba ukuthi
bethe hawa athesana
Alana ebisiyangisa le.
hayi besiphumula.
So ngithembona the new trophy versus the old one. I saw ukuthi at least were taking a positive direction from leadership role okukhuluma ukuthi as long as ama leaders la engazinunga amakhophe bonke
into le ayisayi
sesihluleke
yabo this build something ubona njani i-trophy le yanenja la ubona sesingene kwi-trophy
trophy nje smart like lokana kazongane ibhasi eIslander
It's embarrassing.
like what you are saying anjo uMabricado ubuye lama points akhulume ngawo bona that was the point ukuthi now iIslanders remember we are reaching 100 years anjo ku 100 years one akula shop eIslander andaba sikhuma ngebhola akula shop othwa sihamba siyathenga ishop eIslander 2 ayila stadium eIslander esayo 3 ayila bus 4
ikoni but
so into emfa baba uyathola yiko tshona kufika kwaLenda into emfa lana iyaratho azange sinikwe ngabe life police lapha sanikwa ngabe funeral police yabona iskania lesana so ukuthi ibhasi kanifala lo muntu okufuqa amabanana lokha asiko bhasi lokha 100 years uyokhuluma ngento enjani asiko bhasi lokha
mara ngeni zimabricado ke mbone vile wote bekhuluma nge-trophy endala ePSL wayifananisa namabhasi nebhasi lokuze asiqedele into le I think liyaventa libuhlungu
Uyabona endaba ye-trophy mdala sibele endaba ne-trophy. I-trophy lana sayiphakamisa ngawuphi umnyaka. Anisihle ukuthi sigugile. Sagcina ukuyiphakamisa ne 2006. I was doing my form 2 mdala. I was doing my form 2 mdala 2006. Sasuke eChoslundiya ngale lathi sifakwe ngemva kwe-truck kuthiwa savukela ibhoso le-Cape sukapine satshayile ukuze nini yakhe lana ecamera kumbe umuntu sephuma offside. Yisi isikhathi sagcina ngaso kuwina i-trophy lana. Soku-20 bani kadesi?
2025
siya ku-26 mdala sesiphumile ku-25 how many years how many years
so i-20
yabona besikhuluma ngendaba ye-leadership subuyelile endabeni ye-leadership ukuthi right ulokhu khona phana esikhundleni as a board member uhleli sibili ubophile uthe nqi are you even proud of yourself ukuthi isikhathi sonke lesi iclub akula direction akuyi ngaphi kodwa khona phana abanye babuya bavotelwa bangena mdala
address them
yes mina ora nasuze ngiqamba manga mina bengu Harare chapter lapha bengu committee member ya Harare chapter wabuye umdala omhlophe lapha ethi simfuna ukuvotela waleya out lo plan yakhe ukuthi uzayenza njani ngangena kubhoso nxa kuthi ndamanga kumbe kuthiwa lingambiza abuye la yabe khona lapha wezavuma sayenza singapha duze Oasis Hotel. Wasinika iplan yakhe ukuthi hayi iplan yakhe inje endlela yakala mali kodwa ufuna ukunceda ibhosi somewhere somehow. Uyabona ukuthi at least sinciphise indaba okusetshenziswa ngayindlela yemali kubhosi. Hayi umdala iplan yakhe engane ngcono kulamanye ama candidates ayikhona. Abantu bayamvotela samvotela wangena. But term yakhe kayisaphela ngakuhle angikwazi umuntu kwaso usuke wahamba njani laphana ngoba lama chapters kwangani sokuliwa abantu sibe against yena and so on kwasuka kwaba lenkulumo abantu babe siyavotela omunye umuntu uyabona wangena of course wangena uJohn Fat la umdala wabuya wazama la akwazi umbe uyobuya lesakunda nomdala uJohn Fat labo Eldangweni omodemu laphana uyabona bazama bakuzamayo but itrophy kayibuyanga futhi lapho umdala sepenukile phela futhi la umdala umhlophe lapho indala esikhuluma ngayo mdala umfolo kawuhambi kuba litshona phansi besicabanga ukuthi lathi sizayibamba itrophy. This was one of the easiest years I mean ukuthi kade sizayibamba khona itrophy le this year la last year because once njalo yakwathi league teqa sigalise kuhle more than other teams la nxa kuthiwa khona besingane siya drop besidraw besiku number 1 I think besiku number 2 number 3 khona lapho uyabona i-team kade number 1 vele bisichembe nge1 point I think at 1 point la kasike zabaphezulu uyabona but ihope yangikhona yonke iphongo yehla nje siyaphansi angani angazi ukuwina ngandilitshelwe lemanzini uyabona into lezana vele uhlubonke zibuya from phezulu ku leadership yethu so yiko mina ngikhala ngisethi hayi laphana kodwa badala bami hayi kasilwi nxa silicela ukuthi kona laphana gezanini izandla badala so kuyalile sibili nikanini abanye abantu abatsha kumbe bona abantu abadala abanye bangenza ngcono so reni ngizalibisele emuva kulobudala ulikhogama kulonhlanhla Dube uhlabanga uthambani bahlangene uyabona those people bebethi nxa be represent ibhoso la isikhathi sikadala uJames Mangwana dala ibhoso sukela kudala I remember bevalela abantu oluvive laphana betshontsha ama players kubhoso bebatshela ngokuthi ubusabatha benu lo bebengavuma ukuthi abanye abantu bebeboard behind the scenes sorry sengene kwenye topic befike betshontsha
no it's fine
betshontsha ama players ebhoso uyabona behambe beba register ngalo into enjalothi ngayenzakala these people were going to stand up they fight ama players etiphendula why ngikhuluma kanjalo these people were fighting for the page we protecting the legacy and its property kathesa abantu they are doing willingly ukuthi babuya kubhoso bethatha ama player behambisa lapho bafuna kunizowuthi awuhambe ukuthengisiwe thengiswe ngemalini asikwazi those are the things khala ngakuthi leadership it weak kabakwazi labo ukuthi kuyina abaku representayo kumbe kuthiwa kwenza lokho ukuthi kuyini vele bakhohle ukuthi balida abantu uyabona
uyavuma mntana
mina vele mvuma kakhulu because hayi i-leadership yebhoso abantu ngathi uyabona kafa le mota ashisa ungathatha mdala imota ungazuyifake amathaya amatsho engine mayingekho ayikho yayilendazi ayila administration sikhuluma manje it's next year ku 100 years kuyini okukhanyayo ku 100 years kwayilenda amantomba wesi idip isinkile amantombazana relegatiwe laba yiAjax ebancedileyo thina lathi izolo abantu beseBF ubonile uMabris masiqeda ukora abantu ba celebrate ukuthi ibhoso ingarelegatwa how do you yathema njengayilenda celebrate ingarelegatwa yalenda ayila lutho ekufakwayo abadala siyabaxolisa nendeze sesibacela ngomusa iloba kungavotwa abadala abaphume kuhle abantu asalifuni abadala baphuma haya kusela abaphume
Tobi ngoyizwa indaba yakho bese trophy nendala bebekhayele baphakamisa itrophy endala ukuyalila
bekungcono ukuphakamisa mdala kanti singaphakamisa
but when I say move forward mfuna ukhayele itrophy endala le trophy entsha iyatshengisa yini progression ukuthi siya phambili laba sebeventile
la sebekhalela bezwa abakha
mbona abantu bayalenda nqa bezizwa
le point
samnika isikhathi omrekade aqedele isho yabantu
I think itrophy entsha ishayile hayi inhle kakhulu compared to leyana kade sikhona kade sihlala isikhathi eside sibhodile kakhulu ezandleni eziningi so at least le hayi inhle I think i-PSA lapho ibonise something about going forward I think ayenze sharp
usungaqedelela singaka movie on amfuna ukuthi sesimove on lokhu leqhubu
akakhiphi
nakandaqhubu leqiniso mina ngikucelayo mdala wazi ukuthini when it comes to iboss ukuthi khona let's just go back to the basics asibuyeleni kuma basics badala it's never too late next year is 100 years yabona let's go back to the basics of simple transparency in everything that we do. So we are that team that we are known for playing attacking football. We are known for having talented players. We are known for having good players. Why ngisitsho kanjalo? Kares silombeba yedwa laphana. Nguye nje yedwa umuntu ongani kuthiwa kuna ule fighting spirit. Siqeda ukuhlohlwa one. Everyone is down and out. Sorry. Everyone is down and out. Siqeda kathesi nxa whoever is part of the recruiting team. Kabam kudinga ama players ePremier League. Kabangene kubonkayi ngale. Kabangene bayibhinga, kabangene bayiplant, kabangene bayifilabus, kabangene bayigwanda, abangene bayibetbridge. Ibebe lama player azakwana ku philosophy yethu. Even nxa kuthiwa kona siba le first team, asibene le team ele 22 players that are all good. Nxa kuthiwa bonke kabakwananga, kabaye ku reserve ku Boso 90 bezilolonga ngale. IBoso 90 kangabi team lana kuthiwa is just taking part, they are just participating ku Division 1. No. Asibene le team okuzathiwa nxa kuthiwa second team, they are ready to come and relieve these big guys. You remember team yabo owner? Because I'm sure uyazi kuhle. Kwathi nxa kuthiwa kona i-team ye-Boss first team kayidlalanga ayidlali first team. Kwakubuya abafana owner. La nxa sibe ngobuthi bethu. Babe beyakuthi abafana kabe bezodlala. I think sahamba sakaraphi Dynamos ngeteam yabo Kapini lana. Kwakuyi second team lana. Kungaso first team. Yisi isikhathi sabo Kapini baqasa kubuya khona ku first team. Why can't we go back to those basics and have a team that has a fighting spirit? Why can't we go to the basics and then we have a leadership that is the fighting spirit that can fight for us? Even PSL makuthiwa bayenza into zabo zombhedo zokuthi bafuna ukurobha ibhosi sibhadalisa imali eziningi. Those people that can stand for us and stand for the truth. I miss umdala uGumede. I think ngathanda ukubonga ukuthi I witnessed ukubona umdala lwana. Uyabona singafaka isquad seZimbabwe. The last time those guys they performed better besiya kuma Cup of Nations, it was under his leadership. Those guys they fought for everything. Udumiso Gumede. Kade sibhoso ilama club house ilandani is because of umdala. Uyabona. Why can't we go back to those basics? Beke bebuza ukuthi uGumede kanti babe kuhambisa njani? Simene ukufonela abantu lapha nxa bengasola ngebhoso. Ukuthi ubani uthe so selimfonile. Yeye wena utheni akuncedi badala. Nxa ukuthi into kazihambi bizana abantu lihlanganisa amakhanda lithatha ama ideas konke kudlulile kuye phambili. Lesi isport akula mtolo lani badala. Abantu ibhoso bayithanda. This is our culture. Thina manje sizalele lapha nendlela bayakwazi ukuthi nxa ukuthi ibhoso lidliwe vele hayi. I think
that's the nature of everyone who support those big teams, Islanders, Capes, that Dynamos. But nyalizwa James, nyalizwa. I think it has but into ezaba buhlungu ukuthi i-minority even abanye befuna. I think we've raised this before. People are not members. Abantu, you understand? People are not members. Lizakhala lenzeni party.
But longavoti
awuncedi.
At the same time wona abavotile abazaphinda bemvotile.
You understand?
So I think
sivulile group umdala ye-WhatsApp group. Abantu abathengile ama membership cards I think sesizamile ukufika ku 15, 16, 17 khona lapho. And it's after a big struggle. I know it's never easy. But asiqinisele nini? At least sike sibe labantu abangu100 abatsha bethenga ama membership cards.
Vele ngizubhlungu i-team more than angabile yini ngabala ama supporters nxa ukhuluma ngo 16 17 kumele ukhuluma ngo 17,000
karese soto ngigcwele mdala kulabantu balamakhadi.
This is what I'm saying. You understand? And but it's a very issue yakhona ayibucayi man.
Yeah, but yiko phela mina what I like about this studio anjo if abantu besubscribe belalela anjo kuyavulika ama-points angarezwe ukuthi abantu isowethi igcwele so abantu abala makhadi and yet they are the ones abapopota, they are the ones abazibuhlungu anjo. But if sebezwile so ukuthi hamba ngisethatha amakhadi is $20 and sicela la makhadi khona ngabe bengasifihlile ayiphume singazi kuwe bricks amakhadi ayaphuma ngoba last time ngizothwa our lifetime twade besithi abalawo ndawo $100 umbe bathi abalawo total
khonapho sureze enye point naleyo table life membership khona uzahamba uyethenga ikhadi la $100 elingala benefit right silabantu abaningi kubhoso it's not ukuthi kobulawayo kuphela mdala umbone imphethe iflag yami ukuthi bengingaphi bengikhona le North America le ngibuye ngasela impahla zami kaSebhuku phoze kulomuntu ondithatheleyo khona ngale akhonto ondithathele but I felt like giving him because he's been like a brother akatenga la flag yebhoso akala impahla zamasiko ngale ngamchiyela right. Why can't we reach out to everybody, the whole world, abe lama membership cards awe boss, especially abantu nabasupport boss. Even bengayisupport boss, bebe lama membership boss. Just like what other teams like Dortmund they are doing. Silabafana lapha eZimbabwe lapha that they have a membership eArsenal, bana membership eDortmund. Aba support, you know why? Because baba nika ama jazz after buying those membership cards.
So yabona esasikukhuluma ukuthi ama ideas kufunakala abantu abanama fresh ideas kulungisiswe izinto
because ikubona uDortmund yatibukela kuyagcwele mdala umuntu ugqoka iDortmund
yes
uyabona
so ngezi I like indlela elikhuluma ngayo so passionate about this thing but it's not happening just because of ama point ona lawo ukuthi lebe liba luchwane and lebe ke recycle the very same people babisel but akula progress at the end of the day but amfuna isihlala isikhathi eside ku issue and vendor nge-island because zinenge yeah izinto zinenge but hopefully abantu beyizwa balizwa and at the end of the day abantu bazazama ukuthi bedinge ama cards and membership. I think this also goes out to every PSL or aspiring even ubokombo kumele behle befunde ngoba phambili ukuthi no man into ezintsha zenziwe ama support lawa yi5-6 ahle bela makhadi abe nama member I structure siqalisa ukungani siyatshintsha kuyafundisa is a lesson to everyone in general then moving on sibonile besikhuluma ngetrophy kathesi iScotland iphiwe ngeSaturday trophy celebration sibonile sonke ngendlela istandard esizama ukuthi sikhwezwe ngayo sizama ukufananisa even though because bathi besithi siyakhala kakhulu but
abayenze
bazamile ubonile even musical show even after umdala uMacheso la ubuye wazonandisa lapha okutshengisa ukuthi ibhora liyabambanisa izinto eziningi so iPSL bengacontinue benza njalo. I think we are going in the right direction. I was happy ngenew trophy ngendlela isetup enziwe ngayo lapha eGweru ukutshengisa ukuthi sizama ukuthi sikhweze lathi ibhali lokhuzeni angazi kumbe ubonile lokhuzeni that celebration iScotland iphiwa iofficial trophy baby abanikeza officially kulo Mrs umfazi ka president uMrs Auxiliary Mnangagwa bekhona lapha la engu guest of honor
ngiyakuzwa mdala lapha nasenke kachana ngePSL ukuyigive credit to we've got a new CEO Ronald Uthaba. Congratulations
ngisakhuluma ngayo mdala
congratulations mfana yabona sikhuluma ngokuthi fresh minds mdala these are the results of fresh minds. Ibhora is not just leli ngicongqobela ibhora mdala leli yes ibhora abantu nxa sikhuluma ngebhora ubona ngani umuntu odlala ibhora ngulwana ogijima kuphela ground ukhulumile wathi ibhora liyabambanisa abantu the whole world is united because of this thing if you want to see the power of this round thing that we call it football uyabona people when there's no league matches or UEFA Champions League matches or no World Cup matches or Cup of Nations matches there's no happiness ezindlini lapho you have to respect that. Ungabona Mrs President la sebuya estadium labo Macheso buya estadium it shows ukuthi there's something big about this thing. Lay A round. Yabona. So PSL abantu bayithanda into le. Sicela ukuthi khona lana next season libe lama plans angcono kakhulu that are going to bring more artists kuma stadiums. Lapha sengiyakhulumela lama artists akubulawayo. Nxa ukuthi boss uyadlala eBF, just bring them la bebezoperforma kona pana betholi exposure. Uyabona. Lama teams lawo akwanisa ukuthi bemarket somewhere somehow. Kubanjaniswa abantu konke our cultures lobuntu bethu. Sicela lamanzi lingasincithi futhi lapha nxa sesebhoreni. So ngisoreni sembise enye topic. Uyabona. Lapana it's a sport silanda ukuzokholisa ebhoreni. Nxa yonke into ifair, this thing is fair, abantu they are fair, they are happy, everybody is happy. Uyabona. Angikwazi ukuthi na lingakufaka lithini ngombono engifakileyo.
Yes, hayi yikho sibili, that's why lathi sikhona ukuthi sizama uku-highlight those issues, but in sizama ukungezelela phezulu okukhulunywa nguMabricado ukuthi we saw what happened nge-trophy celebration eScotland. Mina I'm personally I was happy, even ngekho 100%, but the direction itself is showing me something. Angazi kuwetophi lo.
Mina lama happy ngento eyenzakeleyo lapha na ithi kushow ukuthi there's something kule trophy ehambayo. So I just feel ukuthi next year futhi kube more when more kukhanya ukuthi sesikwelinye level lathi in terms of soccer ngoba ibhora vele ithandwa ngumuntu wonke. Ibhora ebe indawo yokuthi lo mntwana omncane ebe efile free ukuya khona la nxa ungathiwa kule bhora la ezwethaba ukuthi senze stadium, not ukuthi kungabi le entertainment kube ukuthi ungangena eground maybe ngo3 usuhlalela ibhora, at least half time ungaba le music lani to entertain ama fans. Lama artists okade ukutsho la uMabricado ukuthi ama artists la sesiwazi kobulawayo ukuthi kulobani lo because zithize abanye babe mangala ukuthi lo ngubani kathi uhlabelane lani, but bakhona abantu abahlabelayo ukuthi bengabuya estadium sibe bazi lathi lawo kuyabe bezimarket at the same time ngapha sinjani ibhora likhula. Yabo
mina so far kale ngisawufuna ukugijima kuye ku Chiefs. So far i-team engiyibonileyo imeter those standard Chiefs. Cause manje ungalanda ama supporters eYilanders uze uthi uFeji uyamazi omuntu kamazi behluleke ukuthi alethwe khona phapho kade usisho ngoMabricks ukuthi yonke into kubethwa nanko siboni World Cup ade seduzane kwethu la kube sesakopa Arakheli babuyile bezoperform lo Shakira bezoperforma. That's football. Loba sifuna ubukela umbethwa iWorld Cup umbe iUEFA ngefinal yakho uyabona ukwenziwani. Yabo amasingazi la wathola isikhathi manje kobulawayo la kunje so kulo umsizi K banenge uthothi asibazi nge half time kuphela sabe siyadinga amanzi.
Uyazama ukuyamkamba.
Hayi ukuze mina ngimqambe Mrs K ukuthi thina siyalandela ezinye izinto. Uze mina ngimqambe Mrs K uMabricks ukhulume ngoma fresh ideas.
Yiko sincedwe iChiefs.
Mina ngincedwa
ukuyabukela iChiefs.
Uyakhopha akula into enhle nje ungikhopha into enhle.
Yes, hayi sisonke.
Ukhopha into enhle. Ungazi kumbe yenzwe eHarare but manje into enhle iyahlala into enhle. Yayenzwe eSouth Africa sayibona iWorld Cup kwakuyinto enhle. Manje uMabricks ekhuluma about ukuthi kumele kubuye amasingazi so wabona nje kunje so nya kuthi manje kulabafana badume kuma radio phela ukukhuluma neFM la wo Skies FM uzothiwa uMrs K awumazi lokuba mazi awuza lobo ufuna kumnika idola awufuni but manje ngaperforma lawo maybe sesithabe kakhulu eBF khona ngasithola sesiwinile sesipost labo 100 rand but kukhana sakuthola
so during that game iScotland i-trophy badle i-10-1 2-1 kule nto yenzakala kubantu besikhayelela uWashington Navaya lo Machope lo le top goal scorer bebele back yabo kona ba but iqini winwe nguNavaya uMachope wadlala Machope 16 ubuqinile 16
lo waba le 17
yes ngithandile icompetition there
lana uPhili phela ube le 14
uAntonio Veremo sorry hey
Sefuta mdala sokusithi
ngene ekhanda la uvela ungalibhila umfana lo yaqala uphila nje yes
Veremo athi la ube 14
wemozi kuma top goal scorer
ube 14 16 17 so I think
so ngenye into engiyibonileyo khona ukuthi igame le yani yes is decided iScotland ngama champions but kule beki yama top goal scorer unavaya although engasahlula umaintainile nge17 yakhe is the top goal scorer followed by uMachope. Then on that particular day also with games kodwa ama game ayi3 iMozi yadla iNgezi Platinum 3-2 and on that game mbone uTake Sure ucoach uphendukile lwana uChiraku uphendukile on that particular day awuse sharp ukhulumile unike speech uthi hayi ufundile lesson yakhe I think use sharp. Then the final game was iRentals yadla iZPC Kariba 3-0 on yiko okwenzakala ngeSaturday. Then Sunday mathe bekufiwa uma relegation hayi
ubona Spurs valuable
lana vele awazi ukuthi kungayenzakala
bona nje ngecalculator mdala besokucaca ukuthi ibhoso kayihambi uyabona but that's a bad reputation sesiyabuyela futhi ukuventa lapha
seliventile
hayi lapha sesikhuluma professionalism
yes
akufuzanga uze kufike kulelana hlandla man hayi it's embarrassing man so kuze kufike even iPSL isifuna ukubaza
bengazama ukuthi babazela but indlela awade befungeza njengoba sikhuluma eqaliseni it was wrong and izifa yangenela kwabashapa then izolo as I'm saying relegation I think this is the first time in the history of iPremier Soccer League eZimbabwe ukuthi
zonke zengu8
yes ukuthi sesihambe ku final day kulama team kungakacaci
ama team azarelegated
relegation the interesting game lana njoba ngisisho Islanders versus Chicken eBaba Fields belikhipha ama calculator abanye bengelashuka ukuthi at one point ike yayehla isiku 14 ngesikhathi iGreenfield sidli ibigit
hayi
isidli triangle sorry iGreenfield sidli triangle iGreenfield leader 1-0 abantu nje bathi sokunzima ungakuthi
ukuthi ngabe
iqinisele idliwa liyana ya equalizer yaphela njalo bekusiba ngokunye ngoba igoal difference yendina belile
+3
belile 1
labana
idliwa bese 0 labana bele +3 yabona ukuthi bekunzima okungakanani
hayi bekuyila
bengalipele 1-0 ngaba phela 1-1
angakasikhuluma ukuthi
sikhuluma abo Jordan
kuqhakathekile vele ukuthi ngawuthi ehambile bekuzaba buhlungu but bese sile order
hayi bengayithi Brazilian
uhamba bele ahamba likehlele uphenduka
bese yaphenduka
hayi bengaphenduka hayi bengaphenduka
unzima uphenduka
uzalo aphansi labana
aphansi ngawuthi uphenduka
yendlela efena bhuze badokile alabana nota beli support ogakalana
bathi yathina seriyasafuna
imagine next season uzotha ibhosi idlalele ePagane kale plant
bathi sefena bhusi ngale sibombili
sikhethenza kana beziyahamba first 1-2
3 bezidroyiza bese asafuna
sidlalele simpumpu lapho bathi mbuye ekucineni khona
ngoba laba players akulode yabuya
cause uyakwazi pressure phela phala uyabucheka lula phela eJordan uyavela security
chawe chana lesibaya le
akulode
abasabotha kubulala selidliwe eJordan
yazi tethenza kana ibhozo 90 yale likhala kana yiyo DBC
iyo
Toto team kabona kanegambia.
Ade yazaba nge-2 teams.
Abengayithi le 2.
Ade bachijibizwe bethengena yiyo.
So let me just go through the result. We saw Greenfield it already triangle 1-1. Chicken in Trade Island 1-1. Manika idli Bikita 1-0. Isimba Bora idle Iyada 1-0. Dynamo City idle Platinum 0-0. Then iKwekwe idlwe iCapes. Bengikhuluma ngekuzini ngeKwekwe yakho efike ngo-quarter to 3. Izinto ezifunakala next season. Next season ufunakala order. Bese isizini mayiqalisa ama team nona ama team declare as I always say. Bese bethi sifuna ama bank statements sibekwazi ukuthi this team
ayila iyashort
ikhona iyakwanisa. Asifuna uzothi ama players strikeile what
Sorry mdala. Into ethinta ayithinti kona phana kuphela. Kufanele uzuthatha ama ticket aphelile stadium.
Yes.
I think next season abazama uku-improve ukuthi abantu ama-ticket kasiwathenge nini even lapha kubo Pick n Pay la kubo Choppies uyabona
ama advance.
Yes in advance. Abantu abaningi bayahamba eBhoreni abantu kabayekela ukuphonga ukukhweza futhi emabhora ngoba kuthiwa kuhlangana ibhoso leDimbara. Of course siyazi bafuna imali eningi but siyakwazi at the same time during the other time abantu ababuye emabhoreni why can't ibhora la ngikhona beliyehlise belifake kudola all right istadium sigcwala abantu bafuna ukuyibona ibhoso simo simi phandle sibi phandle lapha uyabona beyehlisa ibhora libuye kudula so that istadium lezingina abantu into enhle again ukuthi ama teams esabalala kade sithoma sithi zonke nxa lingaba idola ibhora leli even uma cities la amancane abantu bayagcwalisa ku-stadium lokhana at the end of the day they are going to have abantu maybe 15 to 20,000 phakathi at the end of the day those small teams are going to get 20,000 nge-weekend day one and that's a lot. It's a lot of money. They have to consider those things. Ama-ticket bangathengisele eground bathengisele kona ngapho bo Pick n Pay la kubo Choppies abantu nxa bebe e-stadium bayakwazi bale mtshina kanjani yokuskana already ukuthi babe njani beskana bonke okay lokho ngokuqinisa ayikho nto ukuthi bazabe yabemelele khona bake bakuzama national sports ukuthi bathi bamele network hayi kakusebenzi abadinge nje ama-automatic scanner lana ukuthi nxa ulifaka iticket lakho kuhle kuphuma ukuthi okay le ticket number 1 kube easy as that angiyano ukuthi technology yahlupha but hayi izifa le-PSL kabakuzame ke
I-technology ayihluphi and you're raising very valid points because uku-affiliate andazi ama-team isizini mayiqalisa yabhadala. I think Premier League is 20,000
okay
per team. So imagine, 18 teams times 20,000. I-affiliation fee. It's too much. I-PSL, guess umlando we-PSL, ukuthi babone ukuthi ezinye izinto lezi ezinjalo ziya-implementika and kuyakhweza so ngezindlela ngumlando to abothabe ukuthi guys ibhora selila yikho i-direction osomele lathi njani sithatha ibhora lethu sifake maybe nxa singafikanga but at least ama-advance tickets baye bazama oScotland bebethengisa
Omozi yawenza
Omozi bebekuyenza
bathenga before games
but I think lokhana kuba sharp ngayizwa i-PSL i-Premier Soccer League
iyo meli kwenze kuzandla ile mali kuma tickets
yes ifike ikusethe kube i-standard ama team then they follow suit yabo
because uloke line lithinga i-change senza is a strategy
random
amabhora phela
ukuthi ocabangayo ukhweza avuke khwezile ayazi mina ngazi ukuthi why kade ezimo ungakopi umakhelwane sila eSouth Africa awukeze uzuthola ibhora li-60 rand lo case hamba eSouth Africa kudala as from 2002 loku 40 rand lamanje 40 rand and abantu bayagcwala e-stadium khona okade ukuthi yomaAfrica akumathini kuzothiwa iBulawayo Chiefs idlala le chickenini
kugcwele
kungena ngembe ngedola mbe nge$2 uzothiwa kugcwele imali liyana iyanga
iyakhuphula le bhora wonke ama-stakeholders abenefit nyakuzwisisa
yeah that's a valid point
it's a very valid point so ngingalahleki i-context ama-teams that were relegated sile Greenfield ichaye phansi ibhikita ichaye phansi Yada ichaye phansi ayikhweke beku obvious so those are the teams that were relegated then we know ezingenayo next season Celebrity Chiefs sile hard draw ngapha eHarare sile agama Northern region then sile the alokuzene Eastern region the Hunters. So we've got those are the 4 teams that are coming through to the Premier Soccer League as a replace as a relegate team. Then issue lana sake sakhuluma ngayo singakabi yazi, but hopefully iviki le ebuyayo bahlala phansi ama Soccer Stars. We only know of the top goal scorer. Obvious very nxa top goal scorer Otto eKhalendeni uyinayo. So Washington I think is guaranteed.
Ngoyithu sedinga abanye
Washington I think udinga so
udinga ithe bafana nokeeper lwana la udinga ukeeper weSimba bora la isephakathi hayi ulasitsotsi
enjalo you just might never know.
Hayi ema clean sheet hayi
uthe eKhalendeni ebe Soccer Star
hayi not uyabe khona eKhalendeni
uzama ungamanga
hayi
ungamanga
kuvuma
ungamanga
hayi
khona kuvumi proper but ungamanga
kwebele ngitsho hayi njalo umdala buthi umbeba usengaye
umbeba there's no way angosekela ukusupport ibhola umbeba bekhona eKhalendeni
kuyenzakala
usengayethu awungayethu
akhona
but it deserves
it deserves
ngebhola lezimo songamthole ngiyeke
alabo
kuyenzakala
songamthole ngiyeke
but
Fana he deserves to be there. He played very well. That boy is a big guy. I spoke to him yesterday. I've been told him ukuthi nxa kuthi uyathola imphandle kaphuma umfana hami ngoba ngazi uthiwa division 1 eSouth Africa kaphuma iphandle ithatha imali.
It deserves. I mean
it deserves to be there.
Mphamvisana ngoba first half of the season I was very number 1 critic. Wadlala nonsense.
He improved very
well. Too much.
Lapha futhi ayanganolimela
too much. Yabombeba. Umbeba lami ngikhiphela isigqoko. Hayi.
Amethulele isigqoko amfana ukudlala.
Yeah.
Simthule amatepesi.
Awudlalile.
Yazi mina nje ngicabangani. Uthasifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Asifuna ukuthi kube kuthiwa kuyenza sibile ama supporters anje. Umuntu odlala eswana edlala ngehathi swa kube thiwa wonke umuntu kube le deal ukhiphe amadula sonke epifu sonke sikhiphe idola simnikeze
ithelchayane kalokhuzeni eDynamos
because into esingafuna sifuna uthatha iGD6 sinike yena sithathele undoda lwana
lona long saving lapha la yenza into enhle kuhle khona
but awumbeba udeserve something
but umbeba
uthayashayelwa amadola sibili ngoba amathutolazi wonke umuntu emchayelo kwayi lento ethenge something umfana lwana
umbeba uyadeserve. Then issue emfuna sivale ngayo ngika Mabhiza we also what is done to
football
very football in general but khathe sisi director ku FC Platinum umnyaka wonke ungayihlanganisa is 10.5 years eku FC Platinum uvalelisile guys sibonile ama speech ukhuluma nama journalists wakhuluma lama players akhe the team yakhe in general. What do you make of that? Did you see it?
Yeah, I watched it today in the morning. I saw amadoda amadala ehlengezela inyembezi. Yeah, I don't know that guy personally, but I've been following him since kudala. But as a coach, the way he did, yabona FC Platinum teqalisa ikathatha Raman Kumbo, yathatha Lizwe Sweso. Dala bese idavasa. Shout 3040 eMandaba lapha. But after kuthathwa kaNomeni Maphiza, that guy ngemali kade ku Platinum kazange wathenga amabizo. Uthethwa ngabafana kade kungaziwa. Unknown players, he built his squad, and that squad went on to win something 3 to 4 leagues, huh? Challenge so up to 4 leagues. Tata konke yangena ya kumakhafu. One thing that I admired about him, he instills discipline to the players. He instills discipline to the technical team layer. I'm not going to talk about ama executive but I'll talk about laba bantu asebenza lapho. He gives them the reason to fight for everything within the pitch and outside. Yabona. is that person a preacher about winning mentality every time. Even the speeches I can tell Mboni Zolo batshela ukuthi bafana, I didn't want to tell you that I love you. Nxa ground. That's what we call professionalism. The reason why kade ku avoid konkana is because bekwathi nxa ngatshela abanye abafana hey ngikuthanda kakhulu ngendlela oyenza ngayo. Amakhanda ayakhula.
Yes.
But ubatshele esehamba. Wathi la nxa sengihambile the next coach is coming. Respect that coach regardless if he is going to change the training time or the philosophy. But the squad is already there. I respect the end of a takeover ayenzile.
Yes, bese ngifuna ukubuza khona ukuthi I don't think eZimbabwe I've seen such coach phuma ngesihle engaxoxwanga ezihambela kuhle evalelisa uthi no I senchapha iphiwa that chance yokuthi I don't think angazi maybe nxa kulomunye ongasincedisa nxa wayenzakala but angikhumbuli kusenzakala bricks angazi
ngaqamba amanga la
Tobi-
nambona abantu sebesuswa ngamatshe kuphela
Sasuka amabhathi egcwala umoya. Abantu basusa amabhathi egcwala umoya sebethi hayi ngathi imali yami lapho sokuyicontract ye ayiphelanga kwadaba nzima.
ubhuro to coach wenu anti wayesuke sethi alazo zemphendukela but lilayo
kuba professionalism iplatinum.
yes lilayo Tobi what do you make of lokhu zekamabheza la
Ja ku-emotionally mdala yabona usebenza lo muntu i-10.5 years mdala then that ukuthi selijayele how he does these things uyabona then masokusikhathi sokuthi ehambe ikubona abantu abadala abaningi bakhalile inyembezi because uyabe usujayele wena i-environment lomuntu yena lo endele winning mentality ade sey-instwele kumuntu wonke etimini uyabona so kuhle kube emotional like what you are saying ukuthi kazange watshela abafana even phakathi kweviki ukuthi amna madoda sengihamba ani
Kusangamarumazi, yes.
so lawo besisaba ukuthi abafana bangabatshela bazawuba emotional nxa besiyadlala igame ukuthi abantu mdala sehamba kuyakwenza la ungaphefumi to that extent ojala uperforma ngayo yabo so I think the way ayenze ngayo itshengiselile ukuthi hala wadlala phandle kwelizwe la proper yena la so yeah but I think ubesenzile umsebenzi wakhe akulo ongawukhalela kumabhezi
Masuthu
Mina vele lwana kimi ngimrate njengoklopo. Yakhumbula uhlophe so uDortmund manje waswa kuLiverpool. Ethi abantu bemthanda. Into take off. That is the coach the spirit. Umabhezi athi esifaka. Sasingese Klopp uma esifaka kuLiverpool akubo Dortmund. That coach number 1 100% ngiyampika.
kokunye kuchoni ngeplatinum FC Platinum as a club
awuhlobona iprofessionalism phezulu ukuthi everything sharp akula ukuthiwa akunje so uyabona ukuthi uyabona la iprofessionalism ukuthi hayi baphambili
cause njoke ngizama ukudinga ngidingisise ngizwe amtholi angazi ukuthi into antholi i-situation enjalo eZimbabwe engeke ngayibona yenzakala ukuthi coach aphiwe isikhathi sokuthi azihambele ukuthi avalelise angikhumbuni so ungitshela something about FC Platinum as a club
vele uyahlubona ukuyenza kwabo everything you can see but there's not a fluke ukuthi bathatha 3 years zilandelana icup umbe so 4 zilandelana
kunguye under his leadership
uyahlubona something
I think it's 3
yabo uyahlubona something ukuthi hayi phezulu kulento eright abazenza
yes
eziningi la yena eze manager uyabona kulento eziningi aziyenzileyo zaba right uyabona remember wathatha lemono mtapo edliwe first 5 games
yes
uyabona ukuthi vele umuntu wangikhona already uyahle ukutshengisa ukuthi mina in terms of soccer njani
uyabona and uthe ekhuluma lama journalist
imbone sithi
i-dream yakhe was to take izim or is to take izim to i-World Cup ongitshela ukuthi given a chance like besikhuluma i-professionalism uthi ngabe uthi umlwana engucoach we-national team waphiwa i-chance like indlela arane ngayo i-platinum
lese ephiwe alright andilokhu esasekhona
awuncane 53 years
yiko ngikutsho lese ephiwe la ithuba lona lelo elokuthi kathesi senzekala club kalani ephiwe national team
hayi national anti kade sikulomari
ngiyatsho nje ukuthi iphiwe la ngenzakala iphiwe yabona in future uyabona maybe sesengaya World Cup la uyabona
sike sakhuluma ukuthi ngabantu asebenza lapho nxa ungaba nabantu abaphezulu ngalento noplatinum isikhona platinum ngalesi yonke into abihlelekile ngabantu abatravelayo la besiyabona ukuthi amanye ama clubs aranwa njani uyabona yamanje Scotland basendile Ronald bahamba bayabona even labo Barcelona ukuthi kwenziwani yebozo bethu basendwa kodwa baye Paris angazi mina kwini abakufundayo ngalo some people they come and implement those things uyabona ziyabasebenzela uyabona so that's why ubona kona phana ku platinum okay sembuyela ngithi iqasela kubo chairman the leadership yakho so once we implement all those things as the professionalism phakathi you give the coach the room to work his heart out and his mind out everything it really work out smooth. It's a happy environment at work.
Iyo peleka yuko Bruce.
La nxa kuthiwa kona kuthiwa abantu bakho wena kawubabhadali. Kuthiwa ba okay ngizakhuluma sales department lapho ukuthi abantu bakho kabakho good ekuthengiseni. But wena nxa ungaba encourage uba motivate mdala ngithi la nxa bengakwanisa ukuthengisa ngiyakutshela you be always happy every day. Ngoba they are going to put that extra effort yokudinga ama client. My client abuya lapha egcwale just because of the people that you have. So what I'm trying to portray is those people they have a happy working environment. Inhliziyo zabo zikhululekile. They pour their heart out ekuperforming into ama league games. La nxa bengasathathanga of course they lost one of our own players again.
PP.
It affected the match. Though PP was holding that big position. Platinum lapha. It can be one of the setbacks why bengathathanga league because trust me lapha bagcina sebekhona vele besiyaphezulu bona ba. Yabo.
So besakhuluma nje ngeplatinum as a club. So bensithi iPlatinum Stars yona isitshengise lenye level eZimbabwe. Because ngiko fact checkile phela program lapho uthi eZimbabwe kwenzakala yini okuyinto esikubonile over the weekend coach ohamba like indlela umabheza ahambe ngayo. Then there's a rumor, the last thing esifara there's a rumor ukuthi ngani ngadrock iqoqodini
ama rumor maningi
I know I'm just saying ukuthi if maybe nxa engahamba kwenye local team like uyadrock like ngenye ebesibona ekudiwana ukuthi ibiyenza njani
yena lapha I think ngafitha well because yini yakwanisa ufike implement i-style of play into afuna ukusebenza ngazo yonke into yafika kwadrock ufike ukuthi khoqo yabo
uyibona uyizwa njani le
maye romani ngapasa wewe right ku Altrock because Altrock financial yonke into yabo even kade bekutiwana ibikhanya even asikhulumele nge-stadium which means yena uyafika uphela angene ku pitch bemnika iroom yakhe yafika azenzele maye engaphumelele khona
because ama rumor mani but I liked into eyenzakele nge-weekend anzake ngibone mina because it was to unfact anzake ngibone eZimbabwe ukuthi ucoach aphi chance avalelise to the fans akhulume because executive already base bekhulumini akhulume nama player kuhle staff sonke nje in general avalelise sharp ama journalist aphi chance avalelise sharp akhulume nje freely. I think that thing ngibona emazweni ngayibona ku Ferguson
yabo Klopp
those are the few coaches abaphiwe that chance. So in closing I think it kunjengisela ukuthi at least ibhora lethu lathi ama-level amalele we-professionalism lokhu esiwaqansa nje bicha because if into enhle iyenzakala amanye ama-team afunda yabo uthi it's not even kungicoach kuphela a long serving player like umuntu njengo-Ariel I think la uyabe deserve ukuthi even belichinga limzona but 17-18 years
As a team, it's not a joke.
serving one team is not a
it's
joke.
not a
Uyabe
joke,
deserve that game ukuthi avalelise sharp
Exactly.
linga so ngikutsho ukuthi kuyafundisa nxa likopa into sharp nxa iplatinum ikwenzela umapeza lana you can also do that to a long serving member like nxa ukuthi uza cheer umbe this season because into ezenzakala eBoreni ezikhona umuntu uyenzelwa i-farewell proper
exactly.
avalelise clean
because 17 years 18 that is not a joke a team one.
It's not a joke. Ngiyakwazi Bele karata udlisile izolo asafuna ukubona what
but awusebenzi
but
17
that example nje ezwe iplatinum lan if you can do that to nxa ukuthi ereal maybe ngicela imfakweni iposition evalelisa nje as a player limenzele maybe igame memorial match or whatever athole that chance yokuthi avalelise.
Yeah, khona it's more important we implement those things. Yabona. So that we can grow as a team, we can grow into the sporting lokuzeni. Phela ama-players la it's not ukuthi nxa ukuthiwa sokuphele kwebhola sofuze sibalahlele kachana. There's something special these people they have. We are not all like intelligent academically, but some people they are intelligent through using their foot. Some people they are intelligent through using their hands. Yabona imisebenzi yabantu chiyeni. Just employ them khona lapho kubhosile ngabaxoshele kachana so that they can give other people in bathini intshunkutsho ukuthi bebone ukuthi phela lapha esikhona lapha singaweka hard these people they are not going to throw us away bazasigcina that is sikwanisa ukuthi si build another teams to come uyabona something like that.
Appreciate I think
Exactly what I was saying ukuthi umuntu onjalo Jay 17-18 years
because nguyosekwazi iculture yenu yonke lokuthi kwenziwa njani
yiko kade ngikhuluma ngakho laphana ngithi we have to go back to the what to the basics. Once you have the culture mdala everything start moving. Yiko kufanele ukuthi umthetho nxa ekhaya ungekho kuphuma amahlelo ngandlela kuphela uyabona but ekhaya nxa ukuthi kule culture umuntu ophuma emzini ole culture lenhlonipho uyabonakala
and it is ukuthi yenze omunye umuntu ebona iculture lana ukhunti uyabona so I think
so that's it for this week. In closing, to be last words
siyabonga uMabricado
as a culture
as a culture
last week akule into esingabe sichile for this past week esingayibambanga so ungasinika your last words.
Mina just to thank ama-fans. It was a good season silawo and that besekela each and every Monday. So I think they have to continue subscribe and support and comment. Siyabonga.
Masutu, last words.
I just want to thank my fans ukuthi yale be subscriber to abaphosela ama views abo ukuthi yonke into esiyenzayo it's not about ukuthi sabe sikwazi no ama views abo lawa benceda 3 sports asiphelanga we are still going on every Monday we are still going on and asifale njalo abasekele kakhulu le nto le
to our guest Mabricado ayizolo mbole we scared to move any last words ongayisho nje even about the show nyawathi nxa lingale labe lesizungu labe lokho lisishawuja lapha kuma comment section siyakufuna e-studio and ngithanda indlela ophakame ngayo which shows ukuthi you've got love ye beautiful game and you want to air your views kwesinye isikhathi uyathola kuphasse move special isikhathi sabe sisincane maybe ngce 2 minutes just abantu babe baningi befuna ukukhuluma but this time e-studio how was the time e-studio lawo nje ama last words akho?
I mean I just appreciate the show as much as I've watched it like YouTube and then ngibona ngiphandle sesipani ngale it takes me back home ngizibona ngisekhaya so gents I salute everybody of each and every one of you lapha eRomania. This is a great job that you are doing. Some people out there they know nothing ukuthi kwenzakalani nge-sports, but you are just giving them the broader way of news ukuthi kwenzakalani, the current of affairs of sports, uyabona. So this is a great job that you're doing. Kulabana ababukelayo, please let's subscribe, let's share to the other people, they get to know more about this channel. And then when it comes to the sport of Zimbabwe, PSL, Zifa, Highlanders, Bulawayo Chiefs, and other teams, guys, let's not just enjoy having two people kuma stadiums. Let's improve in each and every aspect of the game. Fans, let's listen to our fans. That is going to improve. Konke esikufisayo like kuma clubs ethu. Hayi yikho ngubonga.
I mean ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi uyayiye representing diaspora. So it shows ukuthi at least you are doing that something which is proper, sharp. So mina, to me, inhliziyo imhlophe ukuthi we have got someone all the way from the diaspora ekwanisa ukuthi ethathe opportunity ebuye esivakatshele sibe layo sizwe ama views akho, because abantu abaningi as you said nxa bengale babefuna ukwazi ama updates and stuff, but maybe engatholi ithuba lokuthi la nxa ebuyile engakwazi this is for everyone, ebuye nje sizwe imbono yakhe. Nguthandile khona lokuthi you are here with us representing the magnitude that's out there with diaspora abasibukela abas-appreciate. So nami yikho emvala ngakho ngi-appreciate wena ikakhulu le ndlela ophakame ngayo wabuya ngayo. It's not easy but umuntu egada indege nje you understand, yeah. So kuyasibonisa la khona lokho. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, and let's continue engaging in the comment. I like how we do it to comment section, guys. Let's keep it up. Until next week, see you next time, guys.
Yes.
Ciao.